If you have young pepper seedlings, you know how sensitive they are at first and how important proper nutrition is for them. At this stage, peppers do not require aggressive fertilizers, but rather gentle support that will strengthen the roots, stimulate growth, and help the plant adapt to the soil more easily. Good, proper nutrition makes the difference between a weak seedling and a strong plant that later produces abundant fruit. Young peppers love stability. When they receive enough nutrients but without stress, they develop leaves faster, the stem becomes stronger, and the plant is more resistant to weather changes, colder nights, and the first diseases. This is precisely why it is important to use simple, proven, and gentle methods that will not burn the young plant. By the way, write to me in the comments, how many of you are growing peppers this year? If you found the topic useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because here we regularly share simple tips for a healthy and abundant garden. Now let's get straight to the recipe for a light feeding of young pepper seedlings. You will need 1 liter of water, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Application. Mix everything well and water the seedlings around the roots, not on the leaves. It is enough to use it once every 10 to 14 days. This feeding helps balance the soil, strengthens the plant, and encourages healthy growth without stress. If you know someone who grows peppers or is struggling with weak seedlings, share this advice on social networks. It might just save someone's crop this year.